All right, we're gonna update that turtle that we see this morning. So it's been like 2 hours. When I saw that turtle appears to be spawning or laying eggs, whatever you call it. Ooh, so they're somewhere over here. Ooh, look at that. Well, somebody saw it. Put this thing over here. But why is that turtle did not cover it? See that? There's egg over there. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Probably some more. Some more inside. Look at that. This just sitting over here. I didn't know there's probably already a hole in there. Or he dug it. Should I cover it? I don't know. I don't know. Look at that. Well, somebody saw it and did not cover it. Put this thing instead. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to make it. I just let it well, that's it. That's the update. It's laying eggs this morning.